The Skin You're In, Why a Routine Matters, written by Caroline Hirons, Skincare. It's not just about vanity, it's about health. Your skin is a reflection of your overall well-being. Your skin is your largest organ, working tirelessly to protect you from external elements like pollution, UV rays, and bacteria. It deserves a little TLC in return. A consistent skincare routine can help maintain its health and vitality. A good skincare routine is like a good workout for your face. Just as you wouldn't skip your gym sessions, your skin needs regular care to stay in top shape. It keeps things toned, healthy, and glowing. Regular cleansing, exfoliating, and moisturizing can make a world of difference. Think of it as an investment. The products you choose and the time you dedicate to your skin will yield long-term benefits. The time and effort you put in now will pay off in the long run. Consistent care can prevent issues like acne, dryness, and premature aging. You'll thank yourself later for preventing future damage and premature aging. Healthy skin can boost your confidence and make you feel great. But where do you start? With so many products and routines out there, it can be overwhelming. Don't worry, it's not as complicated as it seems. Start with the basics: a gentle cleanser, a good moisturizer, and sunscreen. We'll break it down together, step by step. From understanding your skin type to choosing the right products, we've got you covered. Ready to get started? Let's go. Embrace the journey to healthier, happier skin. Know your type, decoding your skin's needs. Just like you wouldn't wear a winter coat in summer, you shouldn't use just any skincare product. Different skin types have different needs. Knowing your skin type is crucial for choosing the right products. There are 5 main skin types: normal, oily, dry, combination, and sensitive. Each type has its own unique characteristics. Knowing your type helps you target specific concerns. It allows you to personalize your routine for maximum effectiveness. So, how do you figure out your skin type? Let's dive into that next. Skin Sleuth. Unmasking your true skin type. Determining your skin type is easier than you think. Understanding your skin type is the first step towards achieving a healthy and radiant complexion. It helps you choose the right products and treatments that cater specifically to your skin's needs. Here's a simple test. 1. Cleanse. Start by washing your face with a gentle cleanser to remove any dirt, oil, or makeup. This ensures that your skin is clean and free from any external factors that might affect the test. Wash your face with a gentle cleanser and pat dry. 2. Observe. After cleansing, gently pat your face dry with a soft towel. Avoid rubbing, as this can irritate the skin. Now, wait for an hour without applying any products. This waiting period allows your skin to return to its natural state. Wait for an hour without applying any products. 3. Analyze. During this time, refrain from touching your face or applying any skincare products. This will give you a clear indication of your skin's natural behavior. Examine your skin closely in the mirror. Look for signs of oiliness, dryness, or any other characteristics that stand out. This step is crucial in identifying your skin type accurately. Here's what to look for. Normal skin. If your skin feels comfortable and balanced with minimal shine or dryness, you likely have normal skin. This skin type is well balanced and usually has a smooth texture. Your skin feels comfortable and balanced with minimal shine or dryness. Oily skin. If your entire face appears shiny, especially the T-zone, which is your forehead, nose, and chin, you have oily skin. This skin type is prone to acne and enlarged pores. Your entire face appears shiny, especially the T-zone, which is your forehead, nose, and chin. Dry skin. If your skin feels tight, flaky, or rough, you have dry skin. This skin type often feels uncomfortable and may be prone to irritation. Your skin feels tight, flaky, or rough. Combination skin. If your T-zone is oily while your cheeks are dry or normal, you have combination skin. This skin type requires a balanced approach to skincare. Your T-zone is oily while your cheeks are dry or normal. Sensitive skin. If your skin is prone to redness, irritation, or breakouts, you have sensitive skin. This skin type needs gentle and soothing products to avoid further irritation. Your skin is prone to redness, irritation, or breakouts. Remember, your skin type can change over time due to factors like weather, hormones, and age. It's important to reassess your skin type periodically to ensure you're using the right products. Remember, your skin type can change over time due to factors like weather, hormones, and age. Regularly reassessing your skin type will help you adapt your skincare routine to meet your skin's evolving needs. This way, you can maintain a healthy, glowing complexion all year round. The Fab Five essential steps for healthy skin. Let's dive into the core elements that can transform your skincare routine. No matter your skin type, these 5 fundamental steps form the backbone of any good skincare routine. 1. Cleanse. This is non-negotiable. Cleansing is the first and most crucial step in any skincare regimen. Cleansing removes dirt, makeup, and impurities that accumulate throughout the day. It ensures that your skin is free from pollutants and ready to absorb the benefits of the products that follow. 2. Tone. Toning balances your skin's pH level and preps it for the next steps. Toners can also help to tighten pores and refresh your skin, making it feel rejuvenated and ready for the next step. 3. Treat. This is where you address specific skin concerns like acne, hyperpigmentation, or wrinkles, with serums or targeted treatments. Treatments are tailored to your skin's unique needs, providing concentrated ingredients that can make a significant difference. 4. Moisturize. Even oily skin needs moisture. Moisturizing is essential to keep your skin hydrated and to maintain its elasticity. It helps to lock in the benefits of the previous steps and creates a protective barrier. Moisturizers hydrate and protect your skin's barrier. They come in various formulations to suit different skin types, from lightweight gels to rich creams. 5. Sunscreen, daytime only. This is your best defense against premature aging and sun damage. Sunscreen is crucial, even if you spend most of your day indoors or if the weather is cloudy. Apply every morning, rain or shine. Sunscreen protects your skin from harmful UV rays that can cause long-term damage and accelerate the aging process. These 5 steps, done consistently, will set you on the path to healthy, radiant skin. Remember, consistency is key. With patience and dedication, you'll see noticeable improvements in your skin's texture, tone, and overall health. Level up advanced skincare for extra glow. Ready to take your skincare game to the next level? Consider incorporating these additional steps. Exfoliation 1 to 2 times a week. This process removes dead skin cells, revealing brighter, smoother skin. Masks 1 to 2 times a week. Masks offer a concentrated dose of beneficial ingredients to address specific concerns. Eye cream. The delicate skin around your eyes requires special attention. Eye creams hydrate and target concerns like dark circles and fine lines. Remember, these are just suggestions. Listen to your skin and adjust your routine as needed. A tale of 2 routines, morning and evening rituals. Your skin's needs differ throughout the day. Here are sample morning and evening routines. Morning routine. First, cleanse. Use a gentle cleanser. Next, tone. Apply a hydrating toner. Then, treat. Apply a vitamin C serum for antioxidant protection. Lastly, moisturize. Use a lightweight moisturizer with SPF 30 or higher. Evening routine. First, double cleanse. Start with an oil-based cleanser to remove makeup, followed by a water-based cleanser. Next, tone. Apply a toner to balance pH. Then, treat. Use a retinol serum for anti-aging benefits. Start slowly. After that, eye cream. Gently pat on an eye cream. Lastly, moisturize. Apply a richer night cream. Skincare slip-ups, common mistakes to ditch. Even with the best intentions, it's easy to make skincare mistakes. Here are some common ones to avoid. Using harsh products. Avoid sulfates, alcohols, and fragrances, especially if you have sensitive skin. Over-exfoliating. Too much scrubbing can damage your skin's barrier. Skipping sunscreen. This is non-negotiable. Touching your face. Your hands carry bacteria that can lead to breakouts. Not being patient. Skincare takes time. Don't expect overnight miracles. Your skin's best friend. Consistency is key. The secret to successful skincare isn't fancy products or complicated routines. It's consistency. Think of it like brushing your teeth. You wouldn't expect pearly whites after just one brushing session. The same goes for skincare. Make it a habit. Stick to your routine morning and night. Your skin will thank you for it. Mastering the maze. Choosing the right products. With countless skincare products on the market, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. Here are some tips for navigating the chaos. First, read the label. Look for products formulated for your skin type and concerns. Start simple. Begin with the basics: cleanser, moisturizer, sunscreen, and gradually introduce new products. Patch test. Before applying a new product to your entire face, test it on a small area first to check for any reactions. And don't believe the hype. Not all expensive products are created equal. Read reviews and do your research. Skincare beyond products, lifestyle and diet tips. While skincare products play a crucial role, your lifestyle and diet also impact your skin's health. Here are some tips. Hydrate. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Eat a balanced diet. Focus on fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats. Manage stress. Stress can wreak havoc on your skin. Find healthy ways to cope. Get enough sleep. Your skin repairs itself while you sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours per night. Embrace the journey. Your skin will thank you. Remember, skincare is a journey, not a destination. There's no such thing as perfect skin. Embrace your natural beauty and focus on keeping your skin healthy. Be patient, be consistent, and most importantly, be kind to your skin. It's the only one you've got. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more skincare tips. Your skin will thank you.